Welcome back to part 3 of my Tudor house. What I'm going to show you today is a few little bits that I've been making to go into my Tudor dining hall. First of all, I cut some strips of timber and I've painted them black. That's for the beams to go on my ceiling. I'm going to be putting them in presently. Also, I've been making a fireplace. This is the fireplace that I've been making. I made it out of old bits of wood and a bit of skirting board around the edge there, and a bit of beading around the top, just to make it give it a nice bit of shape to it. I put wallpaper on the back, and I cut some twigs from the garden and made the actual fireplace there with all the logs. So yeah, I hope you like that. The actual hearth there I done with egg boxes. I just ripped up some egg boxes and popped them down and Mod Podged over them, and I think that's come out quite well. It's quite effective. So I will be putting this into the dining hall. I've made a few other bits and pieces, and I'll come back and show you those in just a moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pop away for a minute. I'm going to stick these in and then you can have a look to see what they look like. And I'll show you the other bits that I've made and we can put them in the room together. So hold on just a moment and I'll be back with you. Okay, I've now stuck the beams on the ceiling. I hope you can see that. I'm quite chuffed with that actually. I think it looks quite nice. I've also stuck the fireplace in. I've tilted the house back a little bit so you can see the roof. The fireplace is in situ now, and I have put a little light in the fire. So I'm gonna go off for a minute. I'll put the house back down flat, and then I'll just plug the light in so you can see the light on the fireplace. Right, I'm now going to test my lights. Because I haven't wired them into the electrics yet, I'm going to test them with a small little battery here. This is the best way I find to test the lights. So I'm going to just pop my wires on this battery and we'll give it a go. Hang on one sec. Okay, that's the battery connected, so hopefully it's lit up. Yeah, it's lit up now. I'm going to turn the light off on the main camera to make it a little bit darker. Hopefully you can see that a bit better. And that's my fireplace lit up. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you some of the little bits that I 3D printed to go in the room. And I'm going to stick them in now. So bear with me just a sec. I'll just grab those and then we'll be sticking them in. Right, yeah, as I said, I have been 3D printing. So what I done first of all, I printed off 6 shields here, and I've painted them various colours. I did have a look on the internet to have a look what colours they use, so hopefully I've got it true to life. These are the shields that I've made. There's a couple there, and then there's another couple there. Right, I've laid all the shields out in front so you can have a look at them all. I'm quite impressed with those. I think they look quite nice. I think they're going to brighten up the room a little bit. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to stick a few of these on the walls so we can start decorating this room. I'm using a hot glue gun because it's a lot quicker and a lot easier with a hot glue gun. That's one there. Let's have a green one. Stick that one there. And we'll have a red one. A red one on the wall down here somewhere. That's them on the wall. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you, I made, I 3D printed some swords here. I'll lay them out again so you can, hopefully you can see them. I've painted them black and silver. So they're my 4 swords what I've printed. I'm quite pleased with that, so that's okay. We'll go on to the next thing. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to dot these other swords and shields around the room as I do it. I printed off a suit of armour. Here he is here, and I'm going to stand him over in the corner over there. So I'm just going to put a bit of glue on his feet. And I'm going to stand him right in the corner. Excuse my head and my arm in the way, but we're just going to stand him over in the corner here. That's it. Quite happy there. And I printed off a deer's head, and I've painted it. And have a look at it there. Hopefully you can see it. I'm quite happy with the way that's come out. And I'm going to stick that above the doorway. So we're going to place that deer head above the doorway there. Right, I'm just going to use the hot glue gun and stick my deer's head onto the top of the doorway there. There we go. That can go up there. There we go. Lovely. That looks quite good. Get rid of my strings of glue. And that's it for now. I hope you like this. Please subscribe to our channel and press that like button, and please do give me any comments. So, yeah, I'm going to let you have a pan over the room now and let you have a look at it. In the next video what I'll be doing is a table and chairs and making some food for the table, and hopefully I'll make a light to go in there. So yeah, please join me in part 4 as well, and see how this Tudor room goes along, and hopefully I'll be starting on the kitchen soon. So thanks very much for watching. Bye bye now.